Hare Krishna. Question: are we humans apes? Because there is only 2% difference at a genetic level between us and monkeys. Answer: that 2% difference in at a genetic level, that actually works out to be more than 40 million differences between base pairs, which refer to the DNA, which are the building blocks of our body's programming machinery. So now 40 million differences. That's no small number. So if we try to go into this kind of percentages, first of all, the percentages don't convey anything accurately, because we might even say that we just have a few percentage of difference in genes from fish, but we are entirely different from fish, so substantially different. So and even from a point of view of materialism, there's Jonathan Marks, who is a biologist, and he is a mainstream biologist. He accepts evolution, but even he points out that this sort of nomenclature, that we are just babes, is pop biology. Just like pop means is a derogatory acronym used for something which is used for populist. So populist biology, where it is not having any substance, but it is just captivating sound bites. So so there are 40 million differences at the genetic level, not just 2%, and that's why this evidence, trying to use this evidence to say that we are nothing different from apes, it's misrepresentation of biological fact. And beyond that, genes do determine certain features of our behavior, but genes don't determine everything about our behavior. Now, we are not our genes. There are monozygotic twins who have entirely identical genetic structure, and yet their behaviors are different. So their moods are different. They're different personalities. So our personality is yes, our physical structure is determined by our genes. The ways in which the physical mechanisms take place, they are determined by genes. But beyond that, there is much that is about our essential being. It is not determined by our genes. So both from a genetic perspective and from a holistic human perspective, the idea that we are apes is a misrepresentation of reality, both biologically understood reality and objectively observed general understanding of reality, both. Thank you. Hare Krishna.